your weather, girls, and we've got news for you. You better listen. Get ready, all you lonely girls, and leave those umbrellas home, 'cause humidity is rising, barometer's getting low. According to all sources, the street's the place to go, 'cause tonight for the first time, it's just about 10:30, and the first time in history, it's gonna start raining men, it's raining men, hallelujah, it's raining men, and men. I'm gonna go out and run and let myself get absolutely soaking wet. It's raining men, hallelujah, it's raining men, every specimen, tall, dark, and lean, rough and tough and struff and mean. God bless Mother Nature, she's a wiggle woman too. She took up to heaven, and she did what she had to do. She taught every angel to arrange the sky, so that each and every woman can find the perfect guy. It's raining men, Mother Nature, she's a single woman too. She took off to heaven, and she did what she had to do. She taught every angel to arrange the sky, so that each and every woman could find the perfect guy. It's raining men, humidity's rising, barometer's getting low. According to all sources, the street's the place to go, 'cause tonight, for the first time, it's just about 10:30. For the first time in history, it's gonna start raining men. It's raining men, hallelujah, it's raining men, amen. It's raining men, hallelujah, it's raining men. It's raining men, 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 it's raining men.